Today I'm wanting to share with you a cleaning hack for your stain mattress using Vanish carpet stain remover. This product, Vanish carpet stain remover, can actually rid your mattress of stains too. Now all you're going to need is a pair of gloves and a bowl of warm water and a microfiber cloth or a dishcloth. Now we're going to work the product into the mattress using the top of the ball head, gently squeezing some of the product out as we go. Now look at how quickly this stain is being removed. So easy and effortless. Now every 5 minutes I'm soaking my cloth into the warm water and giving the stain mattress a blotting and a wipe over. Now you can see how bad the stain was, which actually was a sweat stain caused from medication. And there was a lesson there to be learned: always use a mattress protector on your bed. Now I did notice something that the ball head did create, which I'll show you in a second. Now I did run out of the product, but I'm extremely happy with how it's looking so far, and at a later date I'll go over the mattress again. Now this product does have a strong scent, which I found a bit overpowering, so I opened the window, which I advise you do also. Now here you can see that some parts of the mattress has this pilling effect, but I have a solution. Now using this machine, which is usually for your knitwear, it's perfect for removing those annoying balls or piling from the mattress. Now if you're unable to purchase this product, do not worry, as you can easily make your own. I have the video linked at the end of this video and in the description page below. And here's the final result.